now the other four feasts need to be fulfilled. Unfortunately, Christianity says the first is rapture. So these three, we're already there, as they say. So why would Yahweh need to make those three appointments? Why would he tell us to watch those other 3 days if we would already be in eternity? Why 3 days other than Yom Teruah? Yom Teruah is a moment when everybody will know that everything is coming. Is when the two witnesses will be trapped and taken to prison for 10 days, as we see in Revelation. Yom Kippur is when they die. That's why it's a day of sadness. If the rapture were Yom Teruah, as they say, why would those raptured would be sad 10 days later? Why would they have to cry and fast? Makes no sense. They should be happy. And then, why would after that, how would they celebrate Sukkot, which they say is the wedding of the Lamb? But makes no sense. Because how can the wedding of the Lamb happen after Judgment Day? If Judgment Day is 1,000 years after. Judgment Day is after the millennium. The real Judgment Day, the last judgment, is after the millennium. So how could they put the Judgment Day after the rapture and then the wedding of the Lamb as Sukkot, when that doesn't make sense? Because Sukkot represents the Exodus. Sukkot represents the congregation going to the mountains and being there, being protected by the hand of Yahweh. So, in a nutshell, those four feasts that we still need to see fulfill are Yom Teruah, when the two witnesses will be trapped. Yom Kippur, when the two witnesses will die, which is what we are reading right now. Sukkot, which is the second Exodus, when Yahushua said, when you see the abomination of desolation in the place where it should not be, then go to the mountains. And Shemini Atzeret, which is after Sukkot, which lasts 7 days, comes Shemini Atzeret, which happens to be the feast that almost nobody speaks about, and the feast that represents the reunion between the congregation and Yahweh, the greatest day of all. Obviously, that is the moment of the transformation, the harvest.